Quick tip. I don't use 2-hole pins. Well, I do, but very rare. Because you can take these levels and stick them right up here, and you can eyeball that hole and that hole. Show it to them. See, there's a little bit of space. There's a little bit of light. It's all you have to do is line up those cracks, and you'll be 2-holed. Now, this level has a magnet in the center. I really like these. I think they're made in Germany or something. They're like 60 bucks, but they last forever. And that magnet being in the middle will stick in between your 2 holes. So just a little tip. These are just simple things that'll make your life easier as a welder. Now, we better get to work. All right, let's go.